Hi everyone, this is my first time YouTube video. I bought an Orbital sander today because I wanted to clean some garden chairs, garden furniture, the metal furniture and table. And I went to B&Q and thought, okay, let's buy a good one, which is a portable one. And I thought it's a good price for £50. So I got this Stanley Fat Max Orbital sander, which is a £50. And I was very happy with that, it's £50. But after that I realized that battery is not included, and also the charging is not included. So though this one, the Orbital sander, is itself £50, but guess what, look at this, the battery, this cost another £50. Okay, fine, that's okay. Then the charging one, you have to buy it separately, another £40. And it doesn't come all together, you have to buy separately all these three. And I thought, let's do a video about it, that wireless Stanley Fat Max Orbital sander, all of them come separately. Even the drill machine and the other product, they have the charging or battery doesn't come with it, I think, yeah. So let's do this Stanley Fat Max unboxing, yeah. So let's see how does it look inside, yeah. And let's see, let's open it. Okay, here you go. The first thing, we have some guarantee statement and some manuals here. Who needs them? No one needs them, isn't it? Actually, you need it, yeah? Keep it safe. Whoa, look at this. It's very handy. They say it's 1 kg approximately. It has got nice... What is that? Is it a protector or something? No, it's 80 grit. It's saying 80. They give you a free 80 grit. Is it? No, it's not. I think it's the cover. Is it the cover? Yeah, it's the cover, I think. You just cover it up like this. Also, you have a dust collector. Yeah, you just put it in and click, that's it. So now let's open the battery. That's all the details here regarding the battery. I think it's charged 1 hour, and I don't know how long it's gonna last. That's not much details. There's not much details in here. But it says charge 1 hour, something like that, I think. You can use it for 1 hour. So if you wanna do a big job, then I think you need a few of these batteries, so you can just change the batteries and keep working. So let's see how does it goes in here. I think it's just slide it in, that's it. I think it will increase the weight as well after the battery put it on. So overall it looks like that. And let's see the charging port. There is another manual inside. Let's put it on the side. This is £40. This £40. So let's let's put the battery on charge. We open the plastic from the bottom. How to open that? Is there any button to click? Okay, so there is a button to click here. So we put it, we slide it in first, and then there is a button. When you click it, it does come out. So we put it, slide it here as well, and then we put it on the charge. You can see it's charging. You can see it's charging. So let's leave it for at least an hour or two to get the full charge. But as far as I know, like, you know, all the batteries comes in like 80% or 50% charge. You need minimum 25% charge, so keep the batteries live in it. And thank you very much for watching, and I will upload the video after I do the garden furniture, and I will show you how does it work in that video. So keep enjoying the video, and if you like the video, if it is helpful for you guys, just like this and share. Yeah, thank you very much. It's Parvez Khan. Bye bye.